This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below. Morning guys, March 1st, 2019. This one here we're going to call for no heat. Lady called me, new customer I guess. She says she got a furnace, blows hot air. Not working, so I'm on my way over there now. It's in the city. See if I can figure out what's going on with it for. It's a Goodman. This motor's red hot. Guarantee that's what the problem is. It's a flipping Goodman. Well, thermostat's upstairs is calling. We got power to this thing. She's a crusty one. I'll have to take it out and check. Got no low switch on that. There's no filter. Very good. I'll take this off and we'll see what's going on. Let's see if anything's calling here. Might be a bad thermostat. I don't know. See what we got here. That ain't sounding so good. Looks like WD-40 was tried. And that still ain't gonna work. Need a new motor. That's what it is right there. We'll get the model and serial and call it in. Exhaust fan motor. Yeehaw. Shouldn't be too bad. Right in the bottom there, button. That's where. Yeah, exhaust fan motor assembly. Alright guys, I ran out and get another blower assembly. I got a couple of filters. go back over there and swap that fan assembly out. Should fire right up. And change the filter out. Get him heat. It's a good one. Put the metal towards the fan. Should be a little better. I bought a 2, so she got an extra. I gotta do this, take this apart and swap it out. Yeah, I don't know. I'll have to take it apart and on the top there. Because the new one don't come with this. Get the power off. It's all stripped out. That ain't good. Them should have slots in it anyway, so should come right out. She's crusty. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. Take them out. Giving me a hard go there, Ma. No bird in there. No birdie. I'm gonna try to get that gasket in where it needs to be, you know. Whoa. she's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. Yeah. I'll get the black and the white here. Black goes to black. And white goes to white. I should take care of it. I should probably clean the flame sensor over here too. While I'm here, check this flame sensor out. See what it's looking like. It's probably crusty. Probably a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. She's definitely crusty. Alright, I should fire up now. Fan. Missing a couple of screws. Let's get a couple of screws loose. Let's get a couple of screws loose. There was no bird in there. I'm surprised. New air filter, new exhaust fan motor assembly, clean flame sensor. She's up and running. I should take care of it.